Hi, it's Melissa from Creative Frugal Fun, and it's been a long time. I wanted to let you know I have not forgotten about this channel. I have not forgotten about you. Thank you for being a subscriber or for visiting. I've been really busy doing my other YouTube channel, Special Ed Law Mom. So I'll leave a link for that down below. I'm also still a real estate broker, a notary, and I'm now in paralegal school. So add that onto my normal life, and I've been a little bit busy, but I wanted to come on because this week is a great week for grocery sales, and I know everybody's hurting right now with grocery prices. It is July 1st, 2024 in the US. We have our big 4th of July holiday this week, and it is a great time for you to stock up. So I wanted to give you a couple tips. Lots of things like barbecue sauce, ketchup, mustard, mayo, even cheese. I'm trying to think what else I'm looking at this. Bacon, ribs, hamburger are on sale. I'm going to give you a tip on the hamburger. I used to always buy the sleeved burgers from Costco, and they're expensive. It's like close to $5 a pound for hamburger that's frozen. And they're in the sleeve, and so you have to break it apart and do all those fun things. And around Memorial Day, a local grocery store here offered a deal where you could buy a 4-pound box of hamburger patties, and you got a 12 pack of buns, a ketchup, and a mustard for 20 bucks. It was a pretty good deal considering the hamburger patties alone could be over 25 dollars at Costco. So I thought, I'm going to try it out. I'm going to see. They were 80/20 patties. I thought, I'm going to see how really fatty they are. You never know. And I fell in love with them. And the cool thing about it, in the box, they came in individual 4-pound or 1-pound packages. There were 4 pounds total. I think there's like 5 patties in each package. They're vacuum sealed. I can throw them in the freezer. I don't have to repackage anything. I was kind of worried I'd have to, put them in Ziploc bags, and I didn't have to do that. They came vacuum sealed. There's only like 4 or 5 in each package, so I don't have to open up a huge thing and spoil everything else. And I can take them out and use them as regular ground beef if I want. Just crumble them up and cook them that way, and I was paying under $3 a pound for them. So it is a great deal. Make sure you're watching out for deals like that. I have a freezer full, and I'm going to go get more because I don't know how often they go on sale, and I'm going to go get more. I think it's like $14 for um 12 to $14 for the box. Just watch for it to go on sale. It's great if you can get the deal with the buns and everything else, but easy meal, um, cheap, and easily packaged for my freezer, and loved it. One other thing I wanted to tell you, we used to have a George Foreman grill that I loved when we got married. For some reason, we stopped having one. I don't know. We had the removable plate one, all of those. I'm not sure if we just got sick of it, if we couldn't get it clean, what happened. But someone suggested that I get one to help teach my kids how to cook. And I have been using that darn thing every day, and I got it for like $7 at the thrift store. So I don't know how long it will last, but I can do those hamburger patties really fast. We do grilled cheese on it. I can do grilled chicken. It's just, there's lots of ways to save money. So watch the ads for this week for July 4th. Consider going to the store and getting one of those little Foreman things if you want something easy. And I hope that that helps you and that you're able to stock up your pantry on the cheap because prices are through the roof. So if you like this, please leave a comment, like, subscribe, and thanks for visiting. And until next time, make it a great day. Thanks. Bye.